Hey guys, in today's video we want to make something like this. So first of all, make a new layer beneath the photo and fill it with solid color. Then select type tool from toolbar and type bird or anything you like to. Now adjust the size of the text, then hold Alt key on keyboard and click between two layers. Adjust the size of the bird. Duplicate it and from select menu choose subject. Select around the text by holding down the control key and clicking on text layer. Make sure bird's layer is selected and tap Ctrl Alt I to inverse the selection part. Now erase extra parts. Select text layer and from add a layer style choose stroke. Click OK when you're done. Now make a new layer above the background layer to make some shadow. Adjust the brush setting and paint beneath the bird. Select text layer and create some shadow as you see. Now by marquee tool, select this part and from select menu and modify, choose feather. Now click OK, then fill it with black. From edit menu, select fade fill. Alright, in this part I want to create some shadow for the bird legs. Some shadow on it and some under its leg. For each one we need a new layer. Okay, it was fun and easy. Now don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Wish you the best and peace together.